So I had been using my leftover resin to pour into these adorable little bird molds, and they came out looking great. But there was one problem. I ended up with 1 billion. It helped me save resin, but I wasn't quite sure what to do with them. So I got to thinking, what happens before I end up with 1 billion of these? And I got these popsicle sticks, found these beads that just so happened to fit perfectly, and plop. Ta-da! That came out really nice, actually. And just like that, now you have a little friend to perch on the edge of your book and judge everything that you read. You're welcome.